Singapore Airlines has unveiled its much-anticipated new cabin goods, which will begin to be deployed on the airline's Boeing 737-8 fleet in the coming weeks. This elevates the customer experience on board the airline's narrowbody aircraft fleet to a level similar to its widebody aircraft, offering a consistent and premium travel journey. All of Singapore Airlines' 737-8 aircraft will have 154 seats in two classes, 10 in business class and 144 in economy class, with new cabin products. The lie-flat business class seats have been designed by London-based Factorydesign and manufactured for Singapore Airlines by Thompson Aero Seating. The aircraft features Panasonic's X-Series seatback in-flight entertainment, allowing all customers to enjoy the latest Crisworld entertainment content. The fleet is also fitted with Panasonic's in-flight Wi-Fi service. The economy class cabin will feature the latest generation sleek and slimline seats, which have been built by Collins Aerospace. Singapore Airlines has invested around 230 million Singapore dollars on the development, design, and installation of the new industry-leading cabin products, which elevate the standard for short and medium-haul travel on board narrow-body aircraft. Singapore Airlines 737-8 aircraft will progressively enter into service on short to medium-haul flights across the airline's network in the coming weeks. The business class seat features ample storage spaces, high-definition touch-screen monitors that provide in-flight entertainment akin to a home theater experience, as well as high-quality material and finishes. Seats in the business class cabin are arranged in a forward-facing staggered 2-to-2, 1-to-1, 2-to-2 abreast configuration. Measuring up to 22 inches in width, the business class seat reclines directly into a comfortable full flat bed about to 76 inches. Please share your thoughts on the interior of Singapore Airlines Boeing 737 cabin in the comments section below. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.